In this video, we are going to give you the perfect 21-day flat belly fix system review of one of our client. Know my honest review of what I thought about the product and if it actually worked for me. I know, not another weight loss program, right? I've tried them all and the only thing that stuck was my spare tire. How could I not be skeptical when I came across the flat belly fix? It had a lot lower price than a Weight Watchers or gym membership, and a 60-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it. So I figured why not? I'm really glad I gave this one a shot. This program is easy to follow and I'm happy with the results. I can actually keep up with the kids now. In the 21-day program, I could eat as much as I wanted, as long as it was healthy, and only work out for a few minutes a day. All I had to do was drink this special tea in the morning, which was easy and tasted good. Okay, backpedaling a little. What's the flat belly fix system? It's a weight loss system by Todd Lamb, a retired policeman, SWAT team leader, and kind of an overall badass. AKA that ripped guy in the picture. He designed the program when his wife was injured in a car accident. She struggled to keep weight off and came close to type 2 diabetes. After trying the system, she lost 23 pounds in 3 weeks, with similar results from a bunch of their friends. Todd focused the program around a secret ingredient he discovered. He made a special fat-burning tea with it, to be drunk every morning. When accompanied by an easy-to-follow diet, the recipe promises to increase the master fat-burning hormone so that your body literally burns fat all day. It also converts white fat into healthy brown fat. It's also a great program for pre-diabetics or those suffering from type 2 diabetes. I was drawn to a big benefit that beat the impossible. It got my husband on board. The secret ingredient is a thyroid accelerator. Not only does that boost metabolism, but my husband suffers from hyperthyroidism. We were so excited to find a solution that didn't involve expensive pharmaceuticals. The recipe and diet guide comes in a whopping 70-page manifesto. Lamb's research is impressive, and as soon as I saw this I blew out a big sigh of relief. What I just bought was legit. I also liked that the tea recipe was vegan, gluten-free, and completely natural. No weird chemicals. Along with the tea recipe and diet plan you get more. The Flat Belly Fix Smoothie Recipes, the 7-minute Flat Belly Protocol online coaching from Lamb himself. The smoothies are great. My favorite is carrot cinnamon. Lamb even includes a shopping list. It's the little things like that that made me really like this program. It's not just a quick sale. It's a realistic lifestyle designed by someone who actually understands your needs. The 7-minute Flat Belly Protocol is good too, super easy. I do it every morning before I shower. But what really sold me was the online coaching. It feels a lot more personal and trustworthy. When things got hard I would pop in for motivation. A lot of companies kind of abandon you once you pay. That wasn't the case here. And then when I bought the program there was even more stuff in the digital package. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. It's all online. With Kindle and audiobook versions. No expensive meetings, gym memberships, or overpriced products. Just helpful content that enables you to do this from anywhere without waiting. Besides the 3 advertised bonuses, there was also a flat belly yoga manual and flat belly fix cardio solution. I have to work out at home, and sometimes it can get confusing how to do that. These guides were so helpful. In the Flat Belly Yoga Manual, Lamb provides information on meditation and positive affirmations. Both I and a lot of women I know struggle with negative body issues. Seeing that guide showed me Lamb actually cares about the emotional journey that accompanies weight loss, and that he's not just out to make a quick buck. It made me happy to see. Another hidden bonus was a recipe collection that comes with nutritional information. I haven't made them all yet, but the ones I have are good. The only issue I have is that they all have meat or fish in them. I found them pretty easy to make vegetarian though. My final thoughts about 21 Flat Belly Fix program. Oh yeah, and the most important part, here's my tea. I don't want to take away Lamb's hard work by giving away all the ingredients, but you can get them all for only $37 here. And hey, if you don't like it, you can always ask for your money back. The good stuff, a proven program that has been around for years, includes special bonuses and recipes. With the money-back guarantee, you don't have anything to lose. The bad stuff, you actually have to try the training for you to see results. The program takes 21 days. Get that flat belly that you deserve. Try the Flat Belly Fix program, weight loss system that allows you to easily lose an average of 1 pound a day for 21 days without feeling hungry or deprived. The unique and brand new techniques used in this system are proven safe. The unique and brand new techniques used in this system are proven safe, that are not backed by the latest science. The Flat Belly Fix system takes advantage of a recent scientific discovery that proves the effective weight loss power of an ancient spice. Combined with other cutting-edge ingredients in the patent-pending Flat Belly Fix tea that you can make right in your own kitchen in minutes, this system is the quickest, easiest and most enjoyable way to quickly get the body you desire and deserve. Check out the description of the video below to get more information on the Flat Belly Fix.